Okay, greetings everyone and welcome to the Week 9 overview for our FastTrack writing course. First, you're going to want to prepare for Tuesday. There's a couple videos I want you to watch. Two of them are in college writing. You're going to watch The Journey and The Jen and Meg Show. I would suggest taking notes. We will talk about both videos in FastTrack class, and know that there is a quiz in college writing eventually on the content from these videos, so make sure you're taking notes and learning what you can from them. Next, I want you to print the Stop 2 assignment worksheet. That is all in college writing, so all of this you'll find in our college writing course. And then in FastTrack, I want you to complete steps 1 to 3A for the What If experience. Please email me your topic choice. There are 2 topics to choose from, and I need to know which one you're doing so that I can plan appropriately for our Zoom class. And then I want you to dig in Just Mercy for textual evidence of the topic that you choose. Make sure you look at the assignment directions because I've given you page numbers and kind of helped you with that. And then there's a worksheet where you'll complete all of the text evidence. You're going to treat it like you do the green sheets, where you'll see that the same kind of chart is on the worksheet where you've got big ideas, text evidence, and then I've added a page number column because this is MLA citation style and you'll need the page number because you're pulling here from a book. So make sure that you complete the worksheet after you email me your topic choice, and once you do all of that, you will have completed steps 1 through 3A of the What If experience. Then in Zoom class, we'll go over that, and we're going to talk about planning a problem to solution essay. So there's a handout from the Indiana University of Pennsylvania from their Writing Center. It's an excellent handout on planning a problem to solution essay, which is what you'll be writing. So I just want you to read through it in preparation for class. And all of that is for our Tuesday Zoom class. Then while we're in Zoom on Tuesday, we're going to do a DOL. I'm going to help you fill out that worksheet and get your planning done to write Stop 2. I'm going to go over how to use the library databases. That will help you with your Just Mercy well, it's actually the What If experience, because then we'll talk about the Just Mercy research discussion and then how to write that problem to solution paper. But again, I'm going to go over the library databases so that you can move on and do your research for the What If experience. So that's what we'll do Tuesday in Zoom. And then I want you to prepare for Thursday. You're going to complete and submit a draft for Stop 2, and that's in FastTrack, right? You're not going to submit a draft to college writing. You want to make sure that when you write that, you're going to submit the draft to FastTrack. And then you're going to find your 2 sources. So I've gone over how to use the library databases, so you're going to use them. And I need you to find 2 sources that are going to support a solution to the chosen problem. And this will all make sense once you look at those What If experience directions and after our Zoom class on Tuesday. Then you're going to complete the research worksheet for the 2 sources, just like you did when you did the research in Just Mercy. And then you're going to write an outline of your problem to solution paper. You do not have to write the paper yet. You're just doing an outline so that I can kind of see what you're planning. We'll go over all of that. So let's talk about what is due, or what we're going to do in Zoom on Thursday. We have a DOL. We're going to talk about the Stop 2 drafts, and I'm going to show you the look-fors, and we'll go over those. Then the What If experience. We're going to talk about the solutions that you found in your research and your outline. We're going to talk about your outline and how it went and how to use your outline to write your paper. And then I'm going to help you with that, with those MLA citations. And we'll do all of that Thursday in Zoom. So have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you next week. We're getting to the hardest part of the class as we're getting into our justice paper in college writing, and we're doing this mini research paper in 900. So things should be feeling like they are challenging you right now, but that's good. You can do it, and I'll see you in class. Make sure you come with questions.